Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. And today I have my Facetory, and I do believe this is for November 2019. And I just literally pulled the tab off, have not looked inside. I really do try my best not to do that. I'm going to take everything out. And a little bit about Facetory. This is a Korean sheet mask company. I do believe they're based out of California. And this subscription that I get each month, and I've been getting this for well over a year, is the Forever Fresh face mask kit, and it is $8.90 a month. They also offer the 7 Lux, where you receive 7 masks, and that is $19.90 a month. And they have a Lux Plus Box that is seasonal, $49.95. You get 10 to 12 skincare and hair care products with over a $200 value. And I will leave all that information down in my description box. And they always send you a card, which is a cute little postcard. And this is a thank you from the Facetory fam. And let's see the card. Here we have a card. And this is November, curated by Facetory, the Forever Fresh. And then you get the little card and the 4 masks that I receive. It gives you the information. Obviously, if you get 7 masks, it will give you that information. And the first mask is the, this is from Facetory themselves, the Everyday Almond Skin Strengthening Mask. And this is packed with vitamin E, vitamin A. This ingredient keeps your skin protected from UV damage while being extremely moisturizing and nourishing. And it has a value of $3.50. So that's a nice, cute mask. This is really pretty packaging right here. You know, it might be kind of hard to see because it's more like a clear package. And this is by a company, it's NOHJ. I have no idea how you would say that. And this is the Herbs Fit Sheet Hortensia. I have no idea what that is. And this is a moisturizing sheet mask packed with herbal extracts and botanical essence to help your skin feel refreshed and hydrated. This has a value of $3. And this is unusual packaging, but this is packaging that would sucker me in. Cute, cute packaging. And this is really cute too. And this is, the company is, I think Farm Skin is the company. And this is Fresh Food for Skin Facial Sheet Mask. And this is a cranberry. And cranberry extract helps protect the skin from harmful environmental factors, while also adding moisture to protect the skin barrier and stimulate collagen production. Nice. And this is rich in vitamin C and A. This has a value of $2. Very cute packaging. And we've received this before. And this is from Nature Charcoal Purifying Black Sheet Mask. Let's see what this says. A charcoal sheet mask packed with ingredients that help clarify and exfoliate, and this has a value of $2. And they always list tips, and I generally take a card, a picture of the card. Do not leave face masks on for more than 30 minutes. It actually starts pulling moisture out of your skin instead of adding the serums and the goodness in these masks into your skin. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck, shoulders, and hands. Apply your moisturizer after masking to lock in the essence from the mask. And that's a very good tip. And I think this November is, yes, it says happy birthday to Facetory. This November we are celebrating our 3rd birthday and wanted to say a big thank you. Well, that's really nice. Very, very nice. 3 years. 3 years young. They're still a baby company. So that's Facetory for the month of November. And these are usually a month behind. So in December, I'll do November and so forth throughout the year. And I'm fine with that. And I love, love, love this subscription each month. To get something, one like this, which you get the 4 masks for, you know, $8.90 a month. You can't beat it if you do 1 mask a week, which you really shouldn't do more than 1 or maybe 2 masks a week. This is not something you should do nightly or daily. Here is a month, technically a month supply. If there's a normal 4 weeks, a month supply of masks. So this is perfect, you know, for you to do. And they give you all different kinds every month. And so that's nice to get. And, you know, I usually have a drawer full, and I still do have quite a few, but I like to share these in my giveaways so that you guys get to try some of these masks from Facetory. Korean skincare is supposed to be one of the best skincare products that you can get, that they're very, very good with their skincare. I mean, there's plenty of, you know, other countries that make, you know, including the US, that make great skincare, but it just seems like the Korean skincare is very, very good for your skin. I mean, take a look at some of their, you know, the geisha girls, and, you know, look at some of their skin on their women, and even like sometimes their men, their kids. I mean, their skin and hair is beautiful. So let's, I'd love to know all their, you know, their secrets and get my skin to look as good as their skin. So that is my video for Facetory for November 2019. I appreciate all you watching, and I hope you all have a great day. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.